Mercury, death by extreme temperatures. The closest planet to the Sun is a world of extreme contrasts. With no significant atmosphere, daytime temperatures soar to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 427 degrees Celsius, while nighttime plunges to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 180 degrees Celsius. Without a space suit, your body would either boil alive in the heat or freeze solid in the darkness. Even with protection, the intense solar radiation would be deadly. Survival gear needed: temperature regulating suit, equipped with advanced cooling systems to dissipate heat and insulation to prevent freezing. Radiation shielding, a lead-lined or multi-layered polymer suit to block intense solar radiation. Pressurized helmet and oxygen supply to provide breathable air and maintain internal pressure. Venus, death by crushing pressure and acid rain. Venus is often called Earth's twin, but it's more like Earth's evil twin. Its dense atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface temperature reaches 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, hot enough to melt lead. On top of that, the pressure is 92 times that of Earth, meaning you'd be crushed instantly. If that wasn't enough, clouds of sulfuric acid would burn your skin and lungs. Survival gear needed: reinforced pressure suit, built to withstand extreme atmospheric pressure, similar to deep-sea diving suits. Active cooling system, to regulate body temperature in extreme heat. Acid-resistant outer layer, made from advanced polymer materials to withstand sulfuric acid exposure. Advanced life support system, a long-term oxygen supply and internal temperature control. Mars, death by suffocation and radiation. Might be the most hospitable planet after Earth, but that's not saying much. Its thin atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, with almost no oxygen to breathe. If you stepped outside without a suit, you'd suffocate in seconds. The low pressure would make your blood boil and evaporate, and cosmic radiation would damage your DNA over time. Survival gear needed: pressurized space suit, designed to maintain stable internal pressure. Oxygen recycling system, provides a continuous oxygen supply. Radiation shielding, a suit with leaded fibers or reinforced polymer to block cosmic radiation. Thermal insulation, protects against temperature fluctuations between day and night. Jupiter, death by violent storms and gravity, is a gas giant, meaning there's no solid ground to stand on. If you tried to descend, you'd fall through thick clouds of hydrogen and helium until the crushing pressure turned you into a pulp. The Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth, could tear apart anything that enters it. The intense gravity would also make moving impossible. Survival gear needed: anti-gravitational suit, hypothetical technology to counteract Jupiter's immense gravity. Extreme pressure suit, a suit capable of withstanding thousands of atmospheres of pressure. Floating habitat, the only theoretical way to survive on Jupiter would be inside a high-altitude floating station above the deadly depths. Saturn, death by falling forever, is another gas giant. Unlike Jupiter, it lacks a solid surface. If you tried to land, you'd fall endlessly through dense clouds. The winds here reach speeds of 1,100 miles per hour, 1,770 kilometers per hour, faster than the strongest hurricanes on Earth. The pressure and temperature increase the deeper you go, until your body is crushed and vaporized. Survival gear needed: similar to Jupiter's gear. No realistic survival possible without a floating habitat or anti-gravitational technology. Uranus, death by toxic atmosphere and extreme cold, is the coldest planet in the solar system, with temperatures dropping to minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 224 degrees Celsius. Its atmosphere is mostly hydrogen, helium, and methane, making it impossible to breathe. The highly toxic gases and freezing temperatures would kill you instantly. Survival gear needed: extreme cold-resistant suit, designed for temperatures below minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit. toxic gas filter, a helmet with an advanced oxygen supply and CO2 scrubbing system. Neptune, death by supersonic winds, is the windiest planet in the solar system. Its storms reach 1,200 miles per hour, 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound. If you were exposed to these winds, your body would be torn apart. The atmosphere is mostly methane and hydrogen, so there's nothing to breathe. Survival gear needed. Reinforced storm-resistant suit, designed to withstand winds faster than the speed of sound. Thermal protection layer, to protect against extreme cold. Pluto, death by deep freeze. Although no longer classified as a planet, Pluto is still worth mentioning. With temperatures around -400 degrees Fahrenheit, -240 degrees Celsius, any exposed skin would freeze instantly. The thin atmosphere wouldn't provide enough pressure to keep your body from swelling and suffocating. Survival gear needed. Heavy thermal suit, equipped with advanced insulation and internal heating elements. Pressurized oxygen helmet, to counteract Pluto's thin atmosphere. As terrifying as our solar system can be, it reminds us of just how rare and precious Earth truly is. Every other world presents extreme dangers that make survival nearly impossible. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember we live on the only planet designed to keep us alive. Which planet's death scenario shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more space exploration videos.